You might want to add follow button on your Facebook page, but Facebook may not be allowing you to do it or you don't know how to do it. Well, in that case, I am here to help you. Welcome back to our channel. Make sure to watch this video. So first of all, open up the Facebook app. Get logged into your own page just like this. So when you land on this home page, tap on this profile icon on the top right corner. As you do this, tap on your own name, that's your own page name. Now tap on these three dotted straight lines just straight to dashboard on the right corner. Here you can see an option of add action button just below page status. Tap on it. Now tap on edit buttons. So here you can see you can add all of this editing buttons on your Facebook page. Scroll down till the end, and if you do not find any of the pages for like follow button, all you have to do is go back, and then what you can do is you can get into this action button once again and then shake your phone a little bit. Once again, as you do this, you'll get an option of report problem. Tap on report problem. So Facebook is trying to help you to create a report. What you have to do is tap on include here and then tap on the subscribe the issue and then type here, please add follow button on my Facebook page. Alright, you have successfully created and described the issue. After this, you can send it or upload from phone. I am going to send it. For that, tap on the send icon on the top right corner. So they're finalizing the bug report. So yes, our Facebook had just taken the feedback, and this will take some time, but they will send you all of the information regarding the follow button on Facebook. Alright, this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.